Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Justin. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I want to give you guys an update on my portfolio. So this is kind of a mid-month update. We're going to talk about how well my portfolio has performed since the beginning of the month, so beginning of March till today, and I'll kind of compare it against the S&P 500, and then I'll kind of talk about where my stocks are at, how they even did today, where my portfolio at as a whole, and we'll talk about all that good stuff in this video. So stick around and we'll go through this. Hey everybody, welcome back. The goal of this channel is to help you achieve financial freedom by investing in yourself and investing in your future. This channel is all about the stock market, individual stocks I'm buying, selling, also doing deep dive analysis on stocks as well. So if that's something you enjoy, I encourage you to subscribe to this channel. If you get some value out of this video, please smash that thumbs up button. Really helps the channel, pushes out to more people. All right, so this is for entertainment purposes only. This is not recommendations of the stocks I'm showing you that I own. Please do your own due diligence. All right, so let's get into this. So my portfolio right now is hanging around $213,000. I was up about 1.4% today. The S&P 500 was just above break even today. It was like at 0.1%. NASDAQ was down again about 0.6%. It's been kind of rough for the NASDAQ the last few weeks just in general. So today was a good day. Now month to date, the S&P 500 is at 3%. My portfolio is at 10%. So my portfolio has done pretty well month to date. So let's kind of take a look at the top 12 stocks that are in my portfolio. So right now I've kind of trimmed it down to about 12 stocks roughly. Now I do have two little small ones that I'm not going to show you because they're just kind of small right now. So let's get right into this. All right, so the first stock is Dropbox. That's my largest position in my portfolio. It's roughly about 16% of my portfolio as it stands right now. Ticker symbol DBX. It was up 6% today. I'm actually planning to do a full video on Dropbox this weekend. They just bought a company this past couple days. There's some convertible notes that they ended up purchasing last week. So I just want to update everybody because I was bullish on this company before. Oh my goodness. I thought the intrinsic value of this company was around like 40 to 45. I'm thinking it's like $50 to $60 a share now. So really like this company a lot going into the future. GGTTF, which is G-Tech Holdings, that's my second largest position right now. It's the only penny stock I've ever bought in my life. They're actually in the flower industry, if you kind of get what I'm saying there. Did a full deep dive analysis about a week ago on this company. Real excited. They were down about 2% today. It's been kind of a weird week for them. They actually just announced an equity offering at 80 cents per share. So people kind of got nervous and kind of sold out, but I'm still up about 14% on that company. Banco ZK. So I'm up about 94% right now on that company. I was up 2% today on them. This is a company that, it was like no brainer. I was going to buy in, double my money, no problem. In fact, the intrinsic value of this company for me is between $50 and $55. Now with the interest rate starting to rise, now it could actually end up bumping this up to, $55 to $60. We'll kind of see. But don't be surprised as it gets to $50, I might be selling out, probably doing some call options on this company. So just keep that in mind. Fourth biggest one is Tattooed Chef Company, ticker symbol TTCF. I'm down on a position right now, but this is a long-term position for me. Really like this company a lot. In fact, my wife just bought a bunch of Aussie bowls from Tattooed Chef Company this past week, and we really like them. So really excited about that company overall. They were up about 2% today. Huntington Ingalls, love this company, ticker symbol HII. I'm about 23% on this company right now, up 2% today. This company, I think the intrinsic value is around $300 a share. I started buying around $157 was my cost basis. Amazing CEO, great company. They actually manufacture, build warships for the U.S. Navy. Fantastic company. Got paid some dividends today, $1.14 per share. Love that company. All right, next one is Turtle Beach, ticker symbol HEAR. This is a company I'm up about 10% on right now. I want to buy more of these shares. I want it to drop. I want to be below $24 a share. I will buy more. They make gaming headsets for gaming consoles. They're the #1 player in their field. Love this company. I think I'm going to do really well over the next 18 months. Next one is Alibaba. It was down about 3% today. There was some news that came out that they actually may have to pay the largest fine in Chinese history because the Chinese government is just not really happy with them right now. I could probably talk about that in another video, but that's a recent purchase of mine. I'm only at 1%. I just bought this past week. So like them long term. I love to buy some more, maybe a couple thousand more dollars, but that'd be about it. Next one is Boeing, ticker symbol BA. It was up 6% today. I'm up about 60% on this company. Oh my goodness. I did a video past week how they're trending up. Love this company a lot. I bought into them when I bought in like $155 a share. My first purchase, I ended up buying around like $192 was my second purchase. The moat is just unbelievable for this company. Only 1 or 2 companies building commercial planes. They're also in the aerospace and defense sector. And people are so worried about their $60 billion of debt on their books. They have $80 billion of plane inventory, commercial planes on their books. So they could wipe that debt away pretty easily by selling those. And February was the first month where they actually had more orders than cancellations. And they had more orders, I think it was today or yesterday. So love this company. Fantastic. I think the intrinsic value in this company is around $350 a share. I just love it. Love it. Lockheed Martin's the next one. I was up just above about 0.1%. That's about it. I'm up about 3% on this. This has been a recent purchase of mine. The defense sector just in general has been down. My company works really heavily with Lockheed Martin. It's actually our #1 customer that we work with. This is a company I would love to buy more of. Right now they're trading at $340 a share. But I want to see it drop below 300 before I buy any more of this. But I do like this company going forward. I don't think I'm going to double my money on this company. That's not why I bought into them. This is more diversity for my portfolio. Very stable company, good dividend. Just phenomenal company just in general. Next one is Facebook. I'm up about 31% on this one. It's down 2% today. Would love to add some more shares under 250. Next one is Wells Fargo. I'm up about 30% on this one. I was up almost 3% today. This is a company I think that's just very, very underrated in my personal opinion. I bought in below $30 a share. I knew when I bought it, I'd blink and it'd be at 45. So it's going to be going to 45 pretty quickly here, in my opinion. I think the intrinsic value in this company is between $50 and $60 a share. They ended up getting a new CEO a little over a year ago. He came from Bank of New York Mellon. I think he's doing a really fantastic job. He's actually remodeling the company and kind of mirroring what JP Morgan Chase is. So this was a pure value play, and people don't really think of this company as having a large moat, but they do. Almost every company I've ever worked with, and I work in the accounting and finance department, uses Wells Fargo. As far as their commercial side of their business, there's no one better than Wells Fargo. There's no one on the commercial side that I've seen. So that's why I bought into them. Next one is Berkshire Hathaway. I'm up about 32% on them. They were down a little bit today. Oh man, I love Berkshire. This is the only stock in my portfolio. If I had to close my eyes for 20 years and not look at it, this would be the company. Love Berkshire, obviously owned by Warren Buffett. I wish I would have bought more. I bought at 180. I knew it was undervalued at that time, and I just wish I would have bought more. This thing's just going to go up well past $300 a share and just going to keep going up. It's just such a phenomenal company, so diversified. They own like 5% of Apple right now. Fantastic company. So those are the companies, guys. Now I have some other smaller positions in my portfolio, and I also have another portfolio that has that I go off the magic formula every quarter and buy some from that too. But those are the main ones in my portfolio right now. What do you guys think? What do you think about my portfolio, the stocks I have? I love to hear from you guys. What are your favorite stocks that you have? I learned so much from you. I really appreciate it, and I will respond to you in the comment section. So thank you guys so much for following along. Thank you for the support on this channel. I really appreciate it. Got some value? Smash that thumbs up button, and I'll catch you guys on the other side. Take care, and God bless.